I've got something brand new and exciting for all of my bag makers. I had so much fun designing our 2025 bag makers calendar, and in today's video, I thought I would give you a closer look. I've got two sizes of the calendar available for purchase on our website at sewyours.com, the small and the large. The small is the equivalent to about a size of printer paper, so roughly 8.5 by 11. Exact dimensions are listed on the website. And then our preferred size is the 11 by 17. I love this one because the artwork's nice and big and bold. You've got a little bit more room to write in doctor's appointments and such on your calendar. So here's a quick look at May right here. So every single month has a beautiful image of a handbag with flowers spilling out of it because you know how much I love flowers. And then I've added an inspirational quote for you here, whether it is related to sewing or bag making. So I've got that to inspire you to keep going with your craft. So the inspiration behind this calendar came about one morning when I just woke up and said, I need to design a calendar this year. And I got right on it that day and started working on the Bag Makers calendar. I love how everything came together so beautifully. I'm so proud of this calendar, and I know that you guys are gonna love this in your sewing rooms. I am also very pleased with the quality of this calendar. The pages are smooth and thick. This is not going to be like any other calendar that you're going to get in a big box store. This is more of a piece of art. Our calendars are made to order, so please allow roughly 14 business days for your calendar to be made and shipped out to you. So therefore, since we are getting to the middle of December right now, you want to get your order in right away so that you have it in time for January 1st. As our calendars are made to order, they are shipped from our print partner. Therefore, if you are placing an order on our website at sewyours.com for sewing supplies, fabric, hardware, and such, you are going to incur two separate shipping charges because we are shipping your order from two different locations. So please keep that in mind when you place your order. For those of our customers here in Dun Ellen, Florida, we do have some of the calendars available for purchase in store, and if we run out, we will be restocking those over the next month, so don't worry. You'll be able to get a copy at the store locally. Feel free to give us a call ahead of time if you're looking for a calendar, and we can let you know if we have one in stock. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can buy your calendar right away. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you enjoy your 2025 Bag Makers calendar.